아이고, 아이고, 아, 아이고, 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 아이고. 어이야, 엄마야, 오케이, 오케이. Oops. Hi guys. Good morning. 좋은 아침이에요. Should I 오늘 머리를 좀 다르게 할까? Should we? My hair is so. 진짜 아침. 신아 스키즈님도 어서 오시고. Hi 헤이무. Guys, my hair grew longer. 안녕하세요, 여러분. Good afternoon. 어쩔 수 없어. 안녕하세요. 머리 지금 너무 납작해졌어. 직업 면접이요? 어제 HR 면접이요? 네, 재밌었어요. 어제 신기했어. 나랑 완전 정반대 스트리머여가지고 많은 걸 배우고 갔습니다. 제 머리가 무섭다고요? 나 머리 왜? Did you eat your frosty flake? What frosty flake? 밍밍님? 웃기지 않았어? 나 너무 웃겼어. 밍이 is so crazy, guys. 진짜 그런 사람들이 시청자여야 돼. New color change function? What are you guys talking about? Where did frosty come and where did color change come? Okay. Hi guys. Hi Goji. Let me just get my bangs looking nice. So, how are you guys? 다들 잘 지내셨나요? Good evening. I'm good. So how did you think about yesterday's stream? Well, how was the weather? Dude, it's been snowing in Korea so much recently. I don't know why. It's been so snowy heavy in Korea. So, I don't know if that's nice though, cause so much snow. I didn't bring my snow boots that I usually wear. Oh crap. So the problem is that if I don't have any proper shoes for the weather, so I haven't been able to go outside lately. So yeah, I guess I'm happy staying home. I'm just gonna be happy staying home. I'm not gonna go outside. So yeah. I did plan my next game session with Yuri. So that is going to be on the same time, which is going to be fun. Hello. So we're going to play that. And then what else? Yeah, yesterday with Ming I had fun. Definitely a different personality than me. I was surprised she was like my age-ish. But yeah, I got revealed a lot. I got revealed a lot. Oh, maybe I should say thank God I was wearing tank top beneath my clothes. So yeah, yeah. If you know what I mean, yeah. So yeah, Yes, I did sleep well. Thanks for asking. Yeah, it might be good to not see it. But she was an interesting character. I like meeting different characters. But it was interesting that her English wasn't bad, you know? And I think she only lived in US, so very good for her. She was a cutie. I was expecting her to be younger than me, but I was surprised she was like my age, or I guess 1 year older technically. So it was an interesting time to spend with her. We did go out to get some coffee. Hi. Yeah, weren't you surprised? It was interesting. It was an interesting time. So yeah. We were talking about like just stream stuff. Why would you think she was younger though? I don't know, like more brave to do like acts younger? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I do a lot of like way too much old boomer content and I myself is a boomer. So compared to like she does a lot of like what Zoomers would like, so I think that's why I thought she would be a young person. I thought she would be Julia's age. Also, she looks young. And she looks much skinnier on like real life than on screen, guys. You act like you're 42, but compared to 26. Oh. Is it? I don't know. It was an interesting meeting. I gotta say, she was a fun character to be with. So yeah, this week is filled with HR interviews. I think it just got combined to one. So tomorrow, I'm going to be seeing Jumpy Ginny. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know where we're going to meet her, but I would have to talk to her. I think we might just go see her at a cafe or something. But yeah, good morning everyone. Morning. Thanks for coming in early. So it was interesting. Much different from what I usually normally do yesterday, but it's a nice HR meeting. And then Jumpy Genie. So, and then funny story is, so I was talking to, I felt bad because I was like re-interviewing for Yuri. So I was like, I messaged Julia and I was like, Julia, do you want to re-interview for our HR position so that you're like officially, because we've been kind of doing like the official, are you in or not, like blah blah blah. So I was going to be like, do you want to re-interview? And she was like, yeah. I was like, okay. So I think we're gonna have her next Sunday, and then Saturday we're going to do it. We're going to do another stream. So we'll see. It'll be fun. So yeah. I love how every streamer who comes in. So I always tell them that like if you guys can come in, but like I live with a person, so I do technically have a roommate. And oh shoot, thanks. And then so I was like, oh shoot, okay. Oh yeah, that's good to know. Oh, she has big eyes too. And so no, Mia wasn't in the house, but I always have to tell them that like you never know when Mia's going to come home, right? And it's funny because all the streamers get so scared, like try not to expose me. And so like they were like, oh, and chat doesn't know, right? And I'm like, oh no, they do. They know all the stories. They're like, oh shoot, damn, you're so brave. I'm like, oh thanks. Hi Benzomonte. So it was an interesting response. Yeah, I think everyone is shocked that I exposed myself. Guys' names are all Sky. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, so today we're gonna talk about C plus or C. I wrote C plus, and I thought that was also language, but Cookie corrected me, so it's just C. We're learning C. And then we'll do other stuff. Yeah, I already ate breakfast. By the way, Dia, thank you for resub. Tier 1, thanks so much. Thank you, 감사합니다. So, yeah, we'll have fun. Just learning out of curiosity. I'm not using it on Twiri. 아, 이게 내가 정말 여러분 내가 신기한 걸 보여줄게. 이게 토마토잖아요, 여러분. 근데 안에 설탕이 들어있는 맛이 나. So you guys know this is a tomato, right? But inside 진짜 설탕 맛이 나. It tastes like it was in like sugar water. Like inside it's so sugary. It's so sweet. It's like very, very sweet. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, these are really good. I like it. So I don't know if it's natural. In Australia, we call them cherry tomatoes. Oh, it's a thing? Oh, there is something like that? Oh, really? 모르겠어. 설탕이 넣은 것 같아. This is like super sweet.
Wait, boss, something seems different. It's like it's staring straight at me. Not sure what.
What's staring at you? 나도 알고 싶다. What's staring at you? 뭐지? What's staring at you? I don't understand. Is this another joke that I didn't understand? So. Oh, was this staring at you? So. And then we were talking about trolls. I felt here's the thing, guys. Her viewers are much different from my viewers, where our viewers are mostly serious and we don't like, if you guys joke around, I get mad, right? So you guys try not to joke around as much, or I just ignore you guys. And I guess she also has, she kind of has come somewhat of a troll. And I don't want to be like, oh yeah, my viewers never do that. You know, that's how bitchy I was like, oh yeah, I get those too, you know? But if I feel like I would be stressful if that was my situation. It's interesting. I kind of like see myself like when I did like that e-girl-ishy stream from her. Not on my channel, not as much. They were chill. But I think like sometimes they weren't. I just saw a lot of emote spams. I also wasn't really reading chat as much because I was busy trying to talk to her. But yeah, she tried really hard. She was so tired after. Yeah, I tried to read one or two, but I was like, oh yeah, I'll just talk to you. Yeah, I feel like luckily we have You don't have too many trolls. So yeah. Her chat was nice though yesterday, when they came in. So that was good. Why am I getting, oh no, your service is going to lose a level message? Can that stop? Or am I just going to keep losing service? Did you feel like you hit it off with her, or was it still? Oh no, we were kind of chill. Oh really? I think my channel protects me, or they protect new viewers. You guys protect the new viewers? Cause I sometimes can't read off fast enough, or I just don't understand what it means. So it's always hard to create content. You know. Like when she was doing the just do it stuff, I was like, I don't know. My viewers seem to like it. Oh, bye Bendamonte! Bye! Hi Fate! So, it was, gotta say, it was pretty interesting. Yeah, but that's kind of weird. You try to personally get to know the streamer. Just chill and feel in the mood. You know? I feel like that's what you're supposed to do. Just be kind of like chill. Yeah, cause I was thinking really hard yesterday. And I was like, you know, I would rather make it like it's like a radio, so you guys can just have me on while doing other stuff, then that's fine. Cause that, I tend to notice I do that with all my, like, so you know how I was editing my company reviews? I was like, you know, I'm not like that bad to have it as a background noise, cause I had that on and I was playing solitary. Cause I was like editing my company reviews, right? Cause I was trying to like cut out all the stupid things I've been saying. By the way, I talk way too much, my past ones, because I just get on and on and on, and then I suddenly talk about myself. I was like, okay, cut all those. But then I was like, you know, I'm not that bad, because I keep forgetting to realize that I'm, like, recording myself, or, like, I'm, you know, doing a company review, and I should actually focus on, like, places to cut, but... yeah, so it was a fun thing I noticed. So yeah, I would rather, instead of people asking questions, I don't know, because like if viewers just ask questions, it seems that they want too much attention, you know, and sometimes it's like hard to ask all the questions. So it's nice when other viewers can help in, but sometimes viewers also hate that though, no? So it depends on the question. I guess if you ask like, but what question is okay though? Because like if someone comes in asking me, are you Japanese? Like I'm definitely not gonna ask that. Oh, like what's happening right now? Yeah, but usually my viewers just answer. No? My cat is outside. Yeah, cause like if you think about it, the number of people asking me that question can be like multiple times. So then I don't want to be like, "Hiya, 안녕하세요, 어서오세요." I don't want to be like answer couple and then not answer the other, being like, "Oh, why she not respond to me?" I'm like, "Okay, sorry." 아니요, 아주 온 거 아니에요. True. If they do ask that, I try to respond. But then that's why it became. But then we actually like concluded that You know, like there's so many people going to ask about Tweety, so we created a knife bot. But I feel like that's also like not mannered. 뭔가 예의 없는 것 같지 않아? 그냥 knife bot. You know what I mean? I feel like I want to answer them, but there isn't that like 1 or 2 sentence that I can explain it to you guys what Tweety is. Yeah, I guess if they ask further questions, then I don't mind answering those. But if it's like, what is Tweety? What is Tweety? What is Tweety? Okay, guys, now exclamation Tweety. Or wait until enough people ask the same question, then determine it's worth to talk about it? Yeah. So. See, it's so much better just to exclamation it. It was fun. I think, you know, we were talking about a lot of those. It's really nice to have streamer friends. Let me just put it there, because all the things that you are not sure if you can talk about it, if you just meet someone online, you don't know if it's like I can be straightforward with you, but when you meet face to face, it just gets so much better. But it's like, then should I think about it as a business? You know, like if you meet your clients, you don't want to be like, oh, by the way, guys, this company, you know, you don't want to do that either, because so then it's like, who do we consider as a client, or who do we consider as like just a business friend that we met? Because we don't want to be everyone be like, hi, guess what, my viewers are sucky. Just kidding. We usually just talk about like what's a good content to do and all those, but yeah, I think it's at a point where I tried not to talk too much about stuff, but once we all get started, then it's just kind of 여기요? 맞아요, 고양이 놀이터예요. 어려운 주제요? 오늘 그 얘기 할 겁니다. 시에 대해서 얘기를 합니다. 그거는 이제 한 1시간 뒤에 있다가 할 것 같아. 30분 있다가 그냥 혼자 수다 떨다가 바꾸려고 했어. Yeah, it's an interesting story. Getting personal about coding? How can you get personal about coding? I don't know what that means either. 오! 좋은 아침이에요, 이다스님. Guys, funny story. 감사합니다. 일하시면 오늘 열심히 하자겠습니다. Guys, I forgot what I wanted to talk about. You guys, I had the longest sleep yesterday. You know how much I slept yesterday? I slept for like 10 hours. I think it's because I had soju in between. I wasn't drunk, but I was just really tired after that soju. So I had 10 hours of sleep. I went to bed at like 8. Mia was so scared. He was like, you can't sleep. And I was like, dude, don't touch me. I'ma slap you. Cause how much? Cause 진짜, we didn't even drink a lot though. Each of us drank like 3 shots. 그냥 3잔 마시고 끝났어. 나 사실 더 마실 수 있었거든. 근데 he didn't, because if I wake up at like 2 in the morning, he knows I can't sleep, so it's stressful for him. So 아니요, 양주 말고 소주 어제 딱 소주 3잔 마셨어. 어제 소주 3잔 마시고 어제 방종했어. Yeah, we had three bottle, not 3 bottle. 아니, I was going to drink more, but I don't know. 간에는 별로. 근데 어제 밤에 술 마셔가지고 그저께 마셔가지고. Yeah, so we ended up just going to a cafe. Not 3 bottles. 3 glass of soju. And then we went to a cafe because I was shocked. In Korea, you can actually sit down. 요즘 한국에서 카페에 앉아서 마실 수 있더라고요. 그래서 we were like, oh shoot, okay. So we were drinking in a cafe. And then she took a bunch of pictures of Joey. And then we just we're like, bye. And then I was editing and then I slept. Restaurants, yes, but cafes weren't open. So pubs are open, I think. I think pubs are considered open. Can we think? Oh, yesterday we got a raid? Oops, I forgot to... Oh, I didn't even know what was going on yesterday. So. 아니요, 자가격리 당연히 했죠. 안 하면 잡혀가요. Even America cafes are open. I don't know why cafes weren't open in Korea. Also, we have a new rule, or there's a rule in Korea where you can't sit with 5 people. You can't be in a place with 5 people. 5명 이상 우리 그거 못 하잖아. 그거 암만 생각해도 그건 좀 아닌 것 같아. Oh, same in Canada? But is it really worth not sitting with 5 people? I mean, it's safer, but it's like 5 or more not allowed. Oh yeah. But I don't know. But you know what's funny is they should limit, like, if you go to like department stores and stuff. Here's why I think it's stupid. Because if you go to department stores, it's filled with people. It is filled with people, okay? And literally, like, in the elevators, we're like clumped together because Koreans have a tendency to like not like, you know, need to catch that last elevator or like that feeling, so they just like push their way in. And I'm like, we are not social distancing in an elevator. So Mia and I usually take the escalators, but 내 자가격리 하면은 아예 밖에 못 나가요. 저 이 방에 아예 안 나왔었어요. So then I was like, well, if you're gonna do this, how is like 5 people near, like, you know? That's true. Eating is big. But they don't even allow families to meet together. 네, 배달 아니면은 뭐 사주고. That's true. I guess so. Yeah. At least everyone here wears a mask. Even when you change, so I was shopping, they don't want your mask off. It's so hard not to like... And it's super hard. I don't know how you're supposed to like not change or change with your mask on. Especially if you're gonna try on tight clothes, then it's like, okay guys, come on. Yeah, I think it's everywhere. Even outside. So, I don't know, US technically you could take your masks off outside, but in Korea, just 24/7. The moment you leave the building, it's mandatory. And you can get a fine of like $100 or more if you don't wear your masks. So, yeah, it's kind of, that's probably why people would rather sit in like cafes and stuff. So, only because they can't really know if everyone lives together. Yeah. 장갑까지 끼고 다녔나? Can't even get a haircut where I live? Oh, where do you live? 진짜 장갑도 싫다. Hey, snack! Yeah. When will this corona thing end, guys? Manitoba's Kelly. Ah, Kelly. Oh. It sucks. So when you get a when you get a haircut in Korea, you're supposed to wear a mask, which is fine. But what sucks about masks is that when you're washing your hair, when they're washing your hair, the water gets in your mask, like inside, and like it just gets so soggy, or at least on the side too. And it just gets so annoying. So annoying and so disgusting. Just gotta put it. It's so disgusting. So yeah. Oh really? Wow, you must have gone to a expensive one. Yeah, I should really start carrying extra masks. Even outdoor streamings, I feel like I should carry extra masks. Hi boss, I'm late. Hi Mark, thanks for the raid. Hi Prosciutto. Hi Mark. Hi. Yes, you guys are late, but it's fine. We're fine. We're just talking about random stuff, but thanks for the raid. Thank you. 나만 없어 고양이. 따라라 고양이. 고양이. 야. Sorry. 요즘 귀찮아 레이드가. Cheaper than US, but yeah, extra is a good idea. Yeah. Pull up a chair later, arrivers. All good. 진짜, one thing that I realized is some masks, if you talk so much in it, it just gets wet, like on the sides. It gets so disgusting. 안녕하세요. 어서오세요. Yeah. I have that example. 어제 풀린 거 아니에요? 풀린 지는 꽤 됐어요. Oh, that's true. America, no one cares? Oh, maybe where you live. I don't know where you live, but I don't know. Wisconsin wasn't that bad with masks. Yeah, you have to keep so much spares. Also, there in Korea, there's a mask where it's like good for makeup. Like for people who have makeup, it's not supposed to be on your thing. And Mia was like, "Don't wear this crap," because it's so light on my face. It's really good because I don't have to it doesn't get on my mask, but it's so light. So, I don't know. Masks suck. Someday, guys, someday we'll be out of this situation. Where's my live? Where's my live? What's that? Yeah, so here's the issue. When I did my college tour, I didn't wear my mask around. 아, 코도 막혀 요새. Yeah, you know what? At least in Wisconsin. Oh, I can't next week. I even talked to everyone around me and they were like, because later on, those kind of situations, because technically I'm not supposed to be anywhere without masks on, or even we called and it didn't work, so they were like, I wouldn't recommend doing it. So yeah, dance content, bye bye. Can't dance. Dancing not allowed, guys. We can't dance here. Mark is happy. I'll have to delete this then. Delete what? No, I was gonna do an outdoor dance. But that's not really... Mm-mm. I hear you have lunch plans tomorrow. Oh yeah, with Ginny. No. Yeah. No dancing. Sorry guys. Unless I do like the studio dancing, but here's the issue. So Iris, I think Iris's sister was going to teach me dancing with Iris, but I'm like, okay, well, like, if we can't go to Yonsei, which I think, Tenserni was supposed to look into. I don't know, I haven't seen him in a while, but, yeah, it's kind of screwed. I don't know what to do, but, okay. Learning dance seems to be fun. Yeah, can't do that in a studio. Yeah, I think we'll have to do it in a studio, but... This room is too small. It's not pretty. Oh! Hi! Oh, oh, guys, I started exercising yesterday. Cause you know why? I've been feeling like I've got my weights on. So technically you don't need full mirrored rooms. It's okay. 진짜, to just have full mirrored room, it's not really, or like mirrored isn't necessary, guys. Or at least you just have your like closet mirror, you can dance in front of there. Oh yeah, I always kick Joey though, when I'm exercising. But a groom? I guess if you're trying to get a space, but I feel like if you want to know the placing, but yeah. When I'm doing yoga, I always like, he always gets on my mat. I don't know why, but he gets on my like area and I don't know what I'm doing, right? Or like near my foot area. Like I'm not, my eyes aren't there. So I always like step on him, or like I hear this sound. Yeah, so I should buy a separate mat for Joey. Oh no, he does. Oh no, he does. He attacked my leggings and I was like, this is Lululemon, and if you want to eat my lemon, like, mat, I will slap you. Or my leggings. He wants the one you're using? No, okay, no. Okay, you know how much Lululemon costs, guys? So expensive. We're not gonna do that. So, anyways, yeah, we might go back. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm speechless. let's move on topic. 아, 오늘 너무 피곤하다. Today a bit tired, guys. 자, let's do it. Oops. Guys, did you guys also see? 그 Blackpink Jennie, her video is so crazy. 진짜 everyone is making YouTube now. Everyone. The YouTube is like a mandatory thing. I don't know, I think she just said hello. So. 신아, 안녕하세요. 어서오세요. Yeah. Uh-huh, she's a member of Blackpink and made a YouTube video. So crazy. So crazy. Probably. So. Anyways, let's move on. 오늘 왜 이렇게 피곤하지? Aren't you guys tired? 아, 나 오늘 너무 피곤하다. I don't know why. Really? Yeah, I don't know. Am I like... Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. I'm like, I kind of feel blah. Yeah, that's what I am right now. I don't know. It's one of those days where I'm just kind of like, do we need to do something? Maybe we can skip a day. Maybe today is not a mandatory day. Maybe today's a good day for you guys to kind of troll me and be like, Twiri, stream end day. And I'd be like, you guys, but it's a programming day. And then we're like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. Yeah. Morning! Good morning to you too. 좋은 아침이에요. I don't know how much is the stream ending. Oh, is it 100? Oh damn, Gucci. Do bits give you points? Oh really? No, that's lame. Oh, really? They should, though. They should give you points. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm not supposed to show you this. Hi, everyone. Today, I'm just going to read off Wikipedia of C and learn about the language. It's only if you are tier 3. Oh, really? Tier 3? If I'm programming in C? Oh, I'm not programming in C. I'm just learning about it. Oh, really? Oh, you do get bonus points for cheering first time the month. Goldie, you didn't cheer first time the month. I'll just say.
Enter and smoke.
I was expecting another 0, but maybe later. Only 350? Well, that's lame. That's so small. 개웃겼다. Okay guys, so today we are going to learn about C. Who knows C? What is C? I don't know C. So let's learn about C. A, B, C. Okay. The grade you got in physics. Perfect. You guys already know what C is. 자, let me explain to you what C is. The third letter of the alphabet. 아, 너무 좋아요. Do you already know any other programming language? Of course. I'm Programmer Queen. Did you guys know my nickname is IT Queen? 그냥 그러고 싶다고. It's not a yes it is, but it's like one of those I want it to be. Oh, sorry, goddess. Not queen. Queen sucks. Goddess. I want IT goddess. Wait, should we do IT queen stock goddess? Ooh, it's hard. What I use for work, since we are doing code for jet engines, we have to manage the memory ourselves. Can't leave garbage collection to a framework when you have a giant piece of metal in the air. Ooh. Oh, let's do stock queen? Okay, let's do stock queen. IT goddess, stock queen, Jinri boss. stock king? 아, 그러네. stock queen. 자. So C, everyone, is a general purpose. General purpose, okay? I don't know what that means. Procedural computer programming language supporting structured programming. Lexical? Lexical? What's lexical? Lexical? Lexical variable scope and recursion with the static type system. 뭔 소리야? What's lexical? Reading? Names for learn to pronounce adjective related to what? It means learn to pronounce adjective related to the words. Just word? So it has word variable? When you have a large lexicon, you know how many words. Oh, okay, adjective related to the words. Okay. By design, C provides constructs. What? What? It says C provides. Oh, C provides constructs. Wait, why you say like this? C provide constructs. Isn't this noun? Oh, okay. C provides constructs that maps efficiently. C provides. Yes, C provides constructs that maps efficiently to typical machine instructions. 어디냐? It has found lading use in applications previously coded in assembly language. Assembly language. Assembly language, not the assembly language. How do you spell? There's a simple English Wikipedia. 자, guys. Oh, I am reading that right now. Oh shoot, it is. Why is this simpler? 아니야, we need to read the complicated one. 자, a successor to the programming language B. Oh, so guys, it started from a B, and then it's C. What? I didn't know. What? B is a language. Did you guys know that? 와, 알고 있었어, 여러분? You guys are smart. Oh, damn, so smart. Oh. 자, C was originally developed at Bell's Lab by Dennis Ritchie. Is that how you pronounce it? So Dennis Ritchie. Do you guys know Dennis Ritchie? Is this Ritchie? 이거 Ritchie야? Let's get a picture of him. This is Dennis Ritchie. Oh, you guys. Oh, best friend. Are you guys best friend? This is Ritchie, guys. Say hi to Ritchie. Oh, sorry. 자, Dennis Ritchie. So C was originally developed by Bell's, guys. Bell's Lab. Here's another thing. Bell's Lab. Bell Labs, sorry, not Bell's Lab. Bell Labs, remember, which was developed R and Python, right? Yeah, we are learning about C. You know, remember? So Bell Lab is like lab of language, programming language. 자, so this language was developed in 1972 to 1973 to construct utilities running on Unix. It was applied to re-implementing the kernel of the Unix operating system. During the 1980s, C gradually gained popularity. They also developed transistors there? Oh, really? Nice. Oh, thanks, Local, for explaining. No, it says 1972 to 1973. 1972 to 1973. So in 1980s, it gained popularity. 자, it became one of the most widely used programming language with C compilers from various vendors available for the majority of the existing computer architecture and operating system. C has been standardized by the ANSI since 1989. What is ANSI? ANSI is American National Standards Institute. Okay, American 뭐 blah. 그다음에 as of September 2020, C is most popular programming language. 오 진짜? So 2020, guys. 2020, C is number 1. 자, C is a imperative procedural language. It was designed to be compiled to provide low-level access to memory. Oh, it gives low-level access to memory and memory. Language constructs that map efficiently to machine instructions, with minimal runtime support. All alone in the moonlight. 아이, 센스 쩔어. Good sense, good sense. How do they decide most popular programming? More jobs want Python than C? Let me read you guys this. Oh, sorry. In the TOBI index for January 2021. In here it says headline, January headline for 2021. It reads, 여기 있네. 뭐고? In this article, they did C++. 자, 이렇게 돼 있어. See? There's C. So, yeah. So there's C. And Java, Python, R. But Python won the TOBI Programming Language of the Year, though. You guys keep talking. I don't understand what you guys are saying. 자, C is a thanks local. A standards compliant C program written with portability in mind can be compiled for a wide variety of computer platforms and operating systems with few changes to the sources. 자, so let's talk about the overview. Ooh, Dennis Ritchie is here. Sorry. Young Dennis Ritchie. 자, like most procedural language in the ALGOL tradition, which stands for... 와, 이런 것도 있어. Yeah, tell him welcome. Why? What type of question is that? A family of imperative computer programming language. Well, what is this? Oh, it stands for algorithmic language. Oh, damn. Oh. Bye. Give him a bye. I think you need another timeout. That guy got timed out like last time and he gets timed out again. He said science and tech but no boobs. I was like, get out, man. 어딨냐? Let's see. C has facilities for structured programming and allows lexical variable scope and recursion. Its static type system prevents unintended operations. In C, all executable code is contained with subroutines, also called functions, though not strictly in the sense of functional programming. I think I'm in the wrong class. What class were you signed up for? 건초님 어서 오세요. Booze will come. 그 다음에 let's okay. 자, C program source is free format. Oh, free format using the semicolon as a state terminator. Really? And curly braces for the grouping of block of statements. 이게, you know what I find interesting about language is why do people, like, why does all programming not consider the same thing? 그러니까 why can't they everyone do semicolon? Oh shoot, sorry guys. That's supposed to be a semicolon. Why can't everyone just conclude a semicolon? Not like or use the same curly brackets. But some people want to use this bracket or this bracket. Why? Why are you stupid? You all came from Bell Labs. Then use the same one. Why would everything be the same? Because when you want to learn a language, it always gets confusing in your head. Well, same reason why not everyone wear pants. That's true, okay. Why do they have different meaning? 자, data typing is static but weakly enforced. All data has a type but implicit conversions are possible. As a Python programmer, super offended? Are you offended? Sorry, man.
안녕하세요, Jinri.
Wow, TD, thank you for thank you for Prime Gaming subscription. Thank you, 감사합니다. Thank you. Happy New Year, TD. That's like http / Oh. Learning a new language is mostly just learning in a new syntax. 그러니까, why new syntax? Where's the fun of it? That's true. I guess if you want to learn about something new, different people prefer different things. Things will never be the same because language are created because they believe they can be made better way. 오, 그러네. That's a good thing. 그러네. I mean, how many people type HTTP? People create language to do things better. 그러니까. There's also difficulty of parsing the language. Oh. It's called syntax. 여기서 나오는 이 syntax가 이거야. Sorry guys. You know what's funny? Cause I'm not a programmer. I'm like, oh my god, why is it so hard? But honestly, now that I think about it, if it's just you guys, you know, just if programmers are okay, then I should be fine. It's like these days people worry about so many useless things. I mean, so depending on the language, the compiler, and how it was lexical and syntactically written, all programming languages are based in the study of net. Okay. 야, 좀 다양하고 얘기해봐. Solve different problem? Trade-off. Really? So easy. Easy is JS/Python. But complex is C?そうですか. Not easy? Guys, how is... You guys must really like see... You guys really must like talking about language. So much chatter during language stream. Is this where all the IT guys feel hyped up? I told you my stream is filled with nerds. We like talking about language. Guys, yesterday when we talked about bras, you guys didn't even care or come. 역시 IT goddess. Okay guys, sorry. Yeah, we talked about like stuff. We talked about... Oh well, okay. When I say you guys, it means people who weren't there. I don't understand. When I say you guys, doesn't imply every single people on my stream. It means people who don't apply. Next time I will change it to people who don't apply to what I say, weren't there yesterday. Sorry, master will come next time. Okay, okay. You guys is usually inclusive of everyone in present company. So, you people who weren't there yesterday. I look at this all day. I don't look at bras all day. Oh, that's so sad. 기다려봐. Oh shoot. Sorry. Yesterday, I don't know what we mentioned. Just call them fake fans. Okay, you fake fans. That's true. Techie people, I think techie people, this is what I said yesterday. You've been network admin for 20 years? Oh, is this why people like to talk about this? Okay, well, let's continue. You guys can correct me. Because I'm just reading off Wikipedia. Ooh, there's fun story. If you stare enough, you'd see rocket. Oh, shake my head. Okay, 잠깐만, let me read. 뭐냐? In my day, Pascal was taught as introduction to programming, and I found it more difficult than C, which I found already learning on my own. Well, go for you. Okay. 자, so let's continue. Oh, we don't allow link. You gotta be subbed, man. You need to be subbed if you want a link. 자, so there's another section called relation to other language. We like this. techie people? techie people. 그거 잘못 읽으면 sexy people로 읽겠다. 자, many later languages have borrowed directly or indirectly from C, including 그래서 여기서 나네. So C 이렇게. Oh, shit. Thanks for telling me. I don't know what I wrote. 자, C는 C++, C Sharp, Unix C Shell, D? 와, D도 있어? There's D? Go, Java, JavaScript. Okay, guys, if some random person 그러니까 if some random person comes in, they might think we're talking about bra size now. JavaScript, Julia? Oh, Julia is a language? Limbo? Sorry, 잠깐만, LC, Limbo, LPC, Objective C는 뭐야? What's Objective C, guys? 그다음에 Perl, PHP, Python. Oh, is SQL? 그다음에 Ruby, Rust, Swift. Yeah, Rust is game, 아니야? Swift. 그다음에 Verilog, and System Verilog. They're all from C. They're all borrowed from C. 와, 왜 이렇게 많아? This is all. 와, 진짜 많다. It's mother of language네. Mother of language. The programming language of mother, who is called Aida, it's programming language too? Ah, really? Oh, is created with better? I don't know. In Wikipedia, it said many later languages have borrowed directly or indirectly from C. So that's true. C came from B, but then there's B. So B is grandma then. Grandma. 그럼 되잖아. These languages have drawn many of their control structures and other basic features from C. Most of them, Python being dramatically exception, also express highly similar syntax to C. And they tend to combine the recognizable expression and statement syntax of C with underlying type of system, data models, and semantics that can be radically different. B came from A? A도 있어? Oh, Ada Lovelace? Lace? Oh, Lovelace? Oh shoot, now I don't know. Are you sure we're talking about language or bra? Lovelace? Are you sure? Are you now trolling me? That seems sketchy. Is that an actual language? 그치. Also, generally, a lot of languages are changing now because of IDEs and how smart they're becoming. Oh, HTML, since you're naming all of that. I'm not naming all of it. Oh, it's real person? Oh shoot, sorry. 미안해요. Oh, guys, don't clip that. She make if and then? Oh, really? Sorry, 죄송해요. I heard F is a he's a real person! 이분이래. Oh, don't clip, man. Oh, crap. This is Lovelace. Oh, really? Oh, crap. Oh, thanks for subbing 2 months. Thank 감사합니다. Now you can post the link. 오, first programmer이야. 와, 몰랐어. Oh crap, sorry guys. 자, let's continue. 먹고 어디 갔니? 아, 오케이. 자, so let's talk about history. We love history, guys. 자, history는 the origin of C is closely tied to the development of Unix operating system, originally implemented in assembly language on a PDP-7 by Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson, incorporating several ideas from colleagues. Eventually, they decided to port the... So, 여기서 what's PDP가 뭐야? What's PDP? Thompson desired a programming language to make utility for the new platform. At first, he tried to make a Fortran compiler, but soon gave up on the idea. Instead, he created a cut-down version of the recently developed BCPL systems programming language. Ah, it's just computer. 아, 이게 컴퓨터. So 그다음에 official. So BCPL is B? What's BCPL? 이게 B야? Official description of BCPL was not available. Ah, it's another language라고? Wow, how many languages are there? And Thompson, what's wrong? Assembler? Who did I say the assembler was? Not assembler, assembly language. B came from BCPL이라고? Basic Combined Programming Language? 와, 씨. The official description of BCPL was not available at the time, and Thompson modified the syntax to be less wordy, producing the similar but somewhat simpler B. Okay. However, so they also developed B. Few utilities were ultimately written in B because it was too slow, and B could not take advantage of PDP features, such as byte addressability. 그다음에 in 1972, Ricci started to improve B. Ricci made B and C. Wow, sure, Ricci smart. 그다음에 preprocessor was introduced around 1973. Machine code is the only language a computer understands, so all languages eventually have to compile down to it. machine code. Preprocessor는 뭐야? C processor, macro preprocessor for the C was introduced 1973 at the urging of Alan Cinder and also recognized as useful. And then 19 all program language are made for humans. 자, 1978 Brian Kernighan and Dennis published the first edition of the C programming language. 와. Everything now is created with the goal of being more user-friendly and create more accessibility to the CPU. Oh. This book, known as C... Do you guys know this book? Who read this book? Sorry, guys. 이거래. This is the book, guys. Known to C programmers as K and R. Apparently this is K and R. Oh, you know it? Damn, smart. Served for many years as the informal specifications of the language. 와, 진짜? You guys know it? Not me. You read it? The version of C that it describes is commonly referred to as K and R C. And this was released in 1978. It is also referred to as C78, the second edition of the book. 이게 제일 중요하네. This is good, guys. I'm a fake programmer. Okay. 그다음에 there wasn't much else after that because they talk about C were implemented for a wide variety of mainframe computers, mini computers, and microcomputers, including IBM PC. And then in 1983, the ANSI formed a committee to establish a standard specification of C. Oh. 그러니까. So what device, let me ask you guys a question. What device uses C? Or what technology? What platform uses C? Every? What does that mean? What doesn't you see? C is everywhere? Oh, is that why it's CPU? So if you know C, you make money? I believe the guys. 이래서 CPU야? Oh, I just asked a question. You said no. 그러면 because the compilers for language written in C? Compilers for language? What's compiler? compiler가 뭐야 근데? Basically, like, it's a lot of new language are created with C. 아, 그러네. So all the things we listed, 이게 다 어차피 from C니까. C로 작성한 걸 기계어 번역해주는 게 컴파일러라고? 그러면 guys, if you guys know C, you make lots of money. 그러니까 go away Java, go away Python이야? So what programming language makes a lot of money? Who knows C? Like, who here is like, I am C master. I don't need Wikipedia. I don't need full stack 뭐냐? Google. COBOL is really popular programming for finance and banking institutions. My favorite is C++, which is better than C. Better than C? I get to use whichever language I want at work. Damn. 분야마다 완전히 다르다고요? 아, 순수한 세레나드님은 뭐 쓰세요? C master, you need decades to learn C. Ah, really? 그러면 no one is saying none of you guys are good at C. 완전 무시. 완전 무시. I just looked at you guys down. There are best use cases for each language. What you're doing and what you know are more important than which language is best. Then, oh shoot, I'm bad. I know. What works best with C? Like, what is one big thing you're like, C, you know? What situation is best for C? 물어보면 돼? I don't know. Embedded device? So, C microcontrollers, high performance application. Wow, you guys really know your stuff. Game? If you need to create highly efficient and fast processing operating system. So like 빠르다고? When you say fast, 빠르면은 그거예요? 돌아가는 속도? Oh, so why don't people make games in C? Or do they make games in C? Too much work. Hi, Samu. don't talk about other language. What game is made with C? But you won't meet the marketing deadline? 왜? Cause it's too hard? 뭔가 C is talked a lot, but no one uses them. I feel like that's that right now. Oh, you use C? Where do you use C? Quake 1 and 2 use C? It's hard to write very large programs in C. 어려운 언어? 그런 거 같구나. Cause usually, guys, if I go, hey, who knows Python? Like, of all of you guys, who do you think you guys are good in Python? Everybody like, me. But when I asked that question, you guys were like, I think I heard it crawl. No one talked. C is used for embedded system. You use it where C matters. Low level system, low latency, high performance. 야, 그런 상황이 뭐지? 그러면 like hospital equipments are C? Likely? Embedded cars? What is considered embedded system then? What's the large hadron collider system? 그건 뭐야? A tiny computer. Can I post a picture that makes it really easy for you? Okay. On Discord. All of hadron core 뭐야? collider? 뭐고? All of the parts are in system on chips. Custom hardware that have software in it. Could be anything. Automated vending machine. Yeah, you posted in Office Gossip. 전산과 졸업한지? 전산과는 뭐예요? 전산과가 뭐지? What is this? 전자 계산기? 오. 전자 계산과가 뭐야? 소프트웨어 학과예요. 오씨. 대박. 오, 대박인데? I got this posted. 컴퓨터. 시언어, 비주얼 베이직, 코블 등등 배웠다고요? 우리 형님들 나이 연세 좀 너무 공개된다. 멍이에요. 그럴 수 있디. Hi Kuya, can we get a shout out for Kuya? 기다려봐. Vending machines need to be coded in C because there is simply too much at stake if something goes wrong. Embedded system as Arduino. Arduino is C2. Microcontroller stuff like appliances and stuff. Oh, thank you guys. Let me see if I understood this. All memory is allocated exactly as wanted using C. 자, solve for I. 잠깐, 내가 solve 할까? Let's solve for I. I wrote a description under the picture. 아, 그래요? Okay. So C would be closer to the bottom where it is direct. Java would be closer to top where a lot of things are compiled and made. 아, 요게 C. 요게 Java. C was likely chosen due to resource JavaScript. 요게 Java. 하이 따물. Solve for I. 그러게. Negative 7I. 그러게. Oh, cause you're dividing by a negative number, so this goes the other way. Assembly is lower than C. Oh, okay. So guys, now what language do you guys want to hear about then? 다음 언어. Did you guys have fun? I don't know if you guys have fun. I had fun. 이게 C구나 했어. MATLAB, Russian. Not love language, programming language. HTML 아니야, loco. If you say that in front of programmers, they will look you down saying HTML is a language. Cause I got that a lot. So we see MATLAB. I think it TD. I will just pick the top 5. And then we're going to vote. So this is matter of speed. COBOL. Haskell. 하나, 둘, 셋. 한글? 잠깐만. Idris. Rust seems interesting. Okay, Rust 이렇게 하자. Okay, let's vote. 자, we're going to have a scuffed voting time. Yeah, people were like, even my first programming time, you guys told me HTML is not language. You guys were like, you guys were so mean to me. Yeah. Oh, it's a markup language. Yeah, it's a programming language. Hypertext markup, not a language. It's a language but not a programming language. 이런 거야? What? I don't understand, you guys. Haskell. Idris. Rust. Oops, sorry. 자, 달려! It's a language but not a programming language라고. Markup, it does not equal. 그래? You can't programming anything? You kind of write like programming though. You know, like you always have to write comma. So while we do that, I want to show you guys a funny clip. 웃긴 클립 하나만 보여줄게. I thought it means a lot to you guys. I found this yesterday. Sorry. Okay. 이거 웃겼어. The question says, what normal people think is programming and what real programming is. Expectation. Is that clothing? Reality. 아, 나 저거 보고 웃었어. I laughed at that yesterday. 웃기지 않았어? 깨알 같은 에너지네. 그니까. Was that funny enough? That's so me. 그러니까 I learned how to. Yeah. Did you know that one of my interviews, I said I'm good at Googling. Yeah, why reinvent it when you can just copy it? Have you ever Googled yourself? Me? I did. I Googled Twiri TV and it came out with 그 뭐지? It came out to be this like, oh, it's a joke. Oh, sorry. But if you Google Twiri TV, it comes out to be like a weird thing. Wow, Kobo. Oh, damn. So Kobo it is. Next week we will wiki Kobo. Spend all his channel points on it. Yeah, I have hair straightener Jinri and actress Jinri. Okay, so next week is Kobo. Perfect. Rust was 5. Not bad. 자, now we will talk about 우리 이제 프로그래밍 합시다. Let us program. 코 간지러워. Oh, that was fun. COBOL is older than C? 진짜? Wow. Programming actually does not rely on language or math skills. Oh, really? Oh, don't be ahead of yourself. 자, let's talk about Twiri, 여러분. Let us talk about Twiri. Bye. I heard COBOL might be a banking issue. Oh, really? So guys, Twiri time. Twitter에요. Twitter? Twiri. Ah, thank you, Twiri. Oh shoot. 자, Hero. So today we are going to talk about our program that we created called Twiri. Kind of sounds like Tweety. Oh. And we are getting good feedback. 완전 이거 우리 좋은 얘기들 많이 듣고 있어. I think. So let's start. You know what? Let's start with user feedback. So last time we got 3 user feedback. Thank you for the 3 who've done it. I will not reveal name because we are exposing you guys. Thanks everyone. 그러니까. It's so nice of them. 간지러워. I don't think we got any more. Okay, just 3. So here it is. 자, user feedback time. 여러분, put your hands up. I just brought the big ones. 그냥 큰 것만 가져왔거든요. We just brought the big ones cause I don't know. So here's user feedback. Quickly made of YouTube. YouTube래. So two out of 3 were streamers. 1 was not. None of their favorite streamer. Only 1 included Jinri. 양아치. Yeah. And just kind of funny story is how often are you on Twitch? 2 out of 3 were often, so 66% were often, and then 1%, like 33% was always. And then how many streamers do you watch regularly? 66% was 6 to 10, and then 33% was 2 to 5. 6 to 10, guys. 6 to 10? Crazy people, man. So yeah, so let's continue. So first thing, what did you like about the app? I thought this is nice. The simplicity is nice. Possibility to find 5 new streamers in one go. Also nice. 알카드님 어서 오세요. 자, 앱에 대해서 긍정적으로 보는 거. 간단한 게 좋고 5명 한꺼번에 보여줘서 좋다. I did like how it can help you find the types of streamers you're in the mood for. mood for이 좋은 것 같아. 이제 that word for mood for, I like it because it's not really like user feedback 하고 있어요. It's not like you don't have to always watch the person. You can always like do some gambling. 자, it's user friendly with a solid concept. 자, next is improvement. Guys, ended up being like super debugging, but let me read it off. I just put bold in things that I found interesting. So I will change the average viewer section to include a place to type and a minimum and maximum amount. I do agree because that slider, we mostly have small viewer counts. So maybe we should just do like 2,000 and above and keep it within 0 to 2,000. Right now it's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 10,000. So the range is like if we're like that low end, it's really hard to get there. So I don't know, placing a type, I think it's a good idea. As using a slider can get hard if you want tighter viewer counts. Seems like the same 5 people will get linked when putting in the exact same information. 자, the logo seems confusing for a user. It should be obvious that it's a logo or not. There are bugs with language change. The UI controls don't resize to fit the text. Oh, it's a tomato. Sorry, I wanted to eat one, guys. So if I select option from who's doing the CSS, we don't have an official one like in charge. Yeah. So all bugs. And then for first question, I wasn't sure. Spoken language. This we need to clean it up. 그렇지. SPC, SPC. 아, 레사님, 레하. Hi, 레사. Can I get a shout out for Lesa? 다음에 I can watch them for the time they're speaking in my language. 아, 이거 모르겠어. Don't ask me. Okay. Question 2 is an example. When you select something, then another thing, and then want to unclick on one thing, it immediately cleared. It's been done since the one you try to unclick is left somewhat dark. Oh, thank you. What does that mean? Oh, 달아. Oh, you get it? So you have to tap around in white space to get the light color to return. Yeah, we got user feedback, but you can't test it. You get to test it when we release our alpha version. Or sorry, beta version. This is alpha. We got our alpha version now. Also, Lessa, if you want a circle spot, it costs $5 for a month. It's like a sub. So. Ah! 그다음에 for question 7, is this just my own? I'd prefer if the time slot were something you could add. Oh, take your time. So that we gotta do something with our time slot. There should be something we should be able to do. Hi, Obi. Right? Because we never, it's not even like, yeah. So is it like the interface? Because I know some people wanted to be part of it. They're just not here right now. They're not present. So like Cody or Delry. So I prefer if the time slot were something you could add. Yeah, we gotta think about the time slot. This is an idea. Perhaps the star rating thing could be placed next to or under the back continue button. If that were done, you wouldn't have to scroll down to continue. Like the other questions. I am on desktop, if that means anything. What does this mean? 아, 저희 시연호 얘기 다 끝났는데. 에이. 바이올리니스트님, 뭐합니까? 왜 지금 왔어요? Front end for the streamer. 프론트엔드 필요합니다. 오슈. 너무 늦었어. 프론트엔드 아세요 혹시? 아, 까비. Yeah, we were talking about the time zone. The user is inputting their local time. How complete? We gave our... We did our alpha version. So. And then next thing is, what features would you like to see added to Twiri? 자, when linking the socials at the end, I would have to open them in a new tab automatically. 맞아, 이거는 I want this definitely to change. Because I want people to sit in Twiri. Like, they should have a tab open. Always open. Twiri tab always open, you know? For now, nothing comes to mind. A search where I put a streamer name and it provides similar streamers to the one I gave. I don't know what this means. The point of ours isn't to search for people by typing. Those you can do it already on Twitch. But are you tracking user path? I kind of want to, but I kind of shouldn't. So. And then what were results accurate / useful? 2 said 4, 1 said 3. No one said 5. So, you know, it's not that bad in terms of alpha vision. So it's not that bad. Kind of want to ask the 3, but you know, we don't want to expose people being like, why did you give me a 3? But we're all good. So that's all for user feedback, guys. I think it's a great feedback. They want to be able to say, I like Jinri TV, show me other streamers that I might like. Like that? Can we just do... Oh man, really? Do you think that's a good idea? I think that's future project. No? Hi! Oh, I wanted to keep mine simple. Cause the initial thought was just like game based. And not like this hardcore. Hello! So. Yeah. Even our logic algorithm, yeah, that's not even like, because I think people like the idea so much that they make it fancy, but we don't have enough people to work on it. Tears. So anyways, we'll get it, guys. So what have been worked on? 여러분 무엇을 하셨나요? 누구지? Nine Dog did. So we know how we all want to end up creating this to be mostly data driven projects. So what Nine Dog did was for chat 5, I think we can create something similar to, he got a way to scrape all the data, scrap all the data. I don't know why I say scrape. And then he was able to analyze it. We, on our stock stream, I was able to see a couple of my normal people not chatting, which is pretty sad. My VIPs are more quiet than normal, so we might have to re-VIP people. we gotta like, this is a good way to analyze each stream. So those are, we were able to see those. I forgot what else. I was pretty drunk when we were seeing them. I was supposed to technically test it. And then, yeah. So we could pull the chat log and create a set of programming language. Or no, we could set a set of like what each chat vibe means. Like if it's a chatty, what word would be considered chatty and everything. Sorry, I'm not even thinking right now. Sorry, that's not what I meant. And then so like for funny, what words, what verb being funny and everything. But it was pretty crazy. No, I don't need. Yeah, keyword. Thank you, Tesla. Thank you. Word association. Thank you. You guys are smart. No, I'm not writing our own programming language. Yeah, I would need to create a word cloud. But guys, honestly, the whatever Nine Dog made is super fancy, but too high tech for me to explain it how we can incorporate this. But he was able to analyze the chat data, which was actually pretty fun. It does good things. So maybe it's possible to feed the chat to an AI model to train it. Oh, that's true. 9.5, yeah. We could analyze the top 15 viewers and what people spammed. It's kind of creepy because I now can be like, okay, you weren't there, funny, buddy, person. So, yeah. Anyways, so I was thinking, since we got our user feedback, we need a timeline or like a milestone of what we want to accomplish next, because this has kind of been like, oh, I'll help, but people never came. So you know what I decided? I'm like, yo, guys, we're gonna create a timeline. If you don't come this day, I'm gonna be so mad at you that I'm gonna just ignore you. You know, we're gonna give you the cold shoulders if you don't come. Cause it sucks. Oh, it's not you. There were some people. It's like, how do I say something that doesn't mean some of my viewers? For people who aren't here today who said they wanted to help, do I have to clarify? No, it's not VIP. I was joking. No, I meant programmers, guys. Oh my god, do I have to like slap everyone now? So what I wanted to do, guys, was for this. Now, can we talk about this? Can we talk about this? Crap, guys, I forgot what I was gonna talk about. Yeah, it's... Oh, we need it in light mode. Oh yeah, we have devs doing this for free. That's why it's hard, because people come in and out. I'm talking about some of the devs. 잠깐만. No, I was going to create a timeline of how we wanna create this. Finish it. So one thing we need to work on is if we're going to automate it using Nine Dog's things for the chat 5, which is fine, but like you guys said, we need to create a word cloud. He created his own crawlers, I think. So backend needs to be set up to take that data. 그 다음에, which is fine because it also defines, we can probably get the profanity with that. In terms of like the front end, I honestly would like someone in charge of it, but if you don't have any, that's gonna suck. Cause I really want to add on new stuff. Because I feel like there's a lot of things to add. Wait, why am I so laggy? Let me just turn off stuff. Take over? I thought Nine Dog usually did backend, no? It's just people say they want to do it. We haven't seen some people yet, so. Hi, 선별초님. Hello. Debugging, kinda. We're also asking people to help out with the project. Begging for people. Come and help. We need help. What is being built? It's called a Twiri, which is... Thank you, Wayne. That's being built. 네, 제가 오픈한 사이트예요. 그래서 이거를 프론트엔드랑 백엔드 시청자들끼리 같이 만든 거라 가지고 도움이 필요가 많이 해요. 캐릭터 귀엽죠? 그쵸. This URL, I don't want it to have it open. Oh, I should hide it. I only let only couple of testers test it. I want people who've like been lurking on my channel, but yeah, it's open source. Where's the GitHub link? On my GitHub page, if you go scroll down, there's like GitHub pages. So. Okay. Yeah, you can link it. I think I have a Nightbot for it. Cause Korean also has to be added. 한국 번역할 사람 있는데 저 추가로 더 해야 됩니다. Anyone wanna also edit Korean? Additional Korean? There's more Koreans to be Korean things too. 어느 거요? 질문들 번역해야 돼가지고 그것도 포맷 같이 질문도 해야 돼요. What's the tech stack? What's the tech stack? Thanks, Twiri. 귀찮다고? 그럼 저리 가. 묻지도 마. Okay, so let's think this. 노베모님 어서 오세요. Let's think this through. 아직 한국어가 유일하게 없어요. 프랑스랑 독일어는 있는데 불어랑 독일어 아직 그걸 못했어. Thanks, Colosi, for answering question. 이게 맨날 문제가, you know what the problem is? Let me just say one thing. Every time we stream this, it gets so hyped up, and then the week just goes by, and then the day comes and it's so quiet. We wanted newbies to join. Can the list of things that... Yeah! 우리가 일주일 동안 이제 개발자들 개발하라고 시간을 줘요. 근데 문제가 네, 추가로 문제들 더 들어와가지고 형식도 바뀌어가지고 그걸로 따라야 돼서. Yeah, I think, you know what? I gave up. I just wanted like newbies to try it, but now that I'm thinking, it was kind of pointless to do that. So. Open projects are same. Okay. Yeah, we basically made our own framework, right? 자, 그러면 let's see what we need to fix. 여러분 이거 고칠 거 내가 저번에 적어놨거든. Last time I fixed it. Yeah, well, at the time, I thought people were gonna join. You know what? This project has been a long thing. Maybe next project we decided we might use framework, but we gotta finish this project. I don't want to leave my project alone. Yeah. I thought it would be easy. I think it's because a lot of like other function has been added on and it just got too much. It's like it's too much. Yeah, it's never over. 그러면 you know what we should do? I'm just messing with you. Thanks. Yeah, we learned our lesson. Glotzi and I learned our lesson. 그래서 okay, so I think yeah, don't say framework. It makes it too fancy. Because I think one of our viewer wanted to redesign our work. Right? And then anyone... Here's what I think we should do with front end. Like last time we just gave... I'll just list all the front end deep like bugs out there. If you guys want to take it and then like commit on GitHub, I will just accept it. Can we just do it that way? Because I think that might be much easier. They can fork it. 그러니까. And then if it works on their thing, and then they can... Yeah, but people are lazy, right? Let's see. 자, okay, 정신 차리자. Let's focus. So... We'll get something down. Let me... Oh. 그러면... Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We did create Trello. The thing is, they still don't look at it. PC, you don't know how much we've tried with this. We've gone through, like, there's like so many people in Trello and they never look at it. 진짜. Jira? What's Jira? Jira 뭐야? Yeah, we have a lot of stuff here too. Yeah. Cause people never move the in progress to review, so I don't know if I should review it. Who's the PM? People don't move the in progress. I don't know if I should remove. Okay, I'll do a better job. They will only get shouted at. Oh, that's true. I shout at people. Wait, did we change French? The questions, by the way? Okay. Is this the questionnaires? Oh, really, TD? That's so crazy. Okay. We should hire PM. I know. Yeah, some of them know things. Missing label. Nah, it's fine. We'll get someone. 어떻게든 되겠지. Let's take 5-minute break. We're kind of feeling like blah anyways today, so we'll take it easy. I just have to complain every Monday about how devs aren't working, and they'll work. So we got this, guys, right? Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I do the guilt tripping the devs. Devs shouldn't be micromanaged. Dude, like I said, this project has been a, what, 10-month? Just kidding. 8 months project? And fix bugs, yeah. It's been an 8-month project because you guys don't want micromanagement? I didn't micromanage you guys. I was very chill. I was like, oh, it's okay. You'll get it. You'll get it. You'll get it. So. Yeah, but here's the problem. All the data that we want to collect has to be like... Yeah. Yeah, Glotzi, I learned that the hard way.
You should do such clever and smart candidate.
사물손님, thank you very much. 진짜 이 정도면 박사 가져갔지. I would have done PhD if that was the issue. So it's kind of sad. We've gone through. It's so funny. You know what the funny thing is? If I see my developers on, like, if I see developers on other streams, I just want to be like, hey, how's the dev going? That's true. We've only met once a week. And I give them a week worth of programming to do. So if you guys were like, oh, you guys have 10 hours to they already program 10 hours a day. Dude, I gave them like 50 hours. If I go, okay, the next day I go, did you do it? Then that's a problem. That's micromanagement. But every week I go, oh, how'd you do? No, that's a different story. Ah, 몰라! Oh, I don't want to work with you. I don't want to pay you. Cannibal, thank you for raiding. Party of 3, thank you so much. Can we get a shout out for him? Hey! I take... You could... No, I'm not paid. Why? Guys, if I would want that much. Oh, another science and tech. Nice to meet you. 연봉이요? French game developer.
I dislike Professor. Daily check and saying you have no progress. Lol.
What's your progress for today? How was your... Bonjour! Bonjour! Ça va? 아니요. 저번에 직접 코딩 배우다가 답답했지. Last Python programming, I learned it by myself and then I gave up. Discord had no... Oh, really? 오늘 notification 없었어요? 또 다시 팔로우 하셨구나. Merci, merci. Thanks for the follow, guys. Thank you. 진짜? 봐라. How could you? 파이썬은 그래도 고등 언어랑 비슷해서. 고급 언어? 고등 언어에서 고등어 먹고 싶다. 나 어제 그저께 고등어 구워 먹었는데. What do you do in your channel? We do a code programming of a website. Let's take 5-minute break. Yeah, that's what we're programming. Twiri? So read your panels, yeah. Nah, we'll be nice to him. 그러게, what's for lunch? Probably 호박죽. Oh, I should probably have some programming language up there. Let's put my site. Sorry, I just need a 5-minute break. Mental papa. Oh no, it's français! Dude, I have this. The app that we're creating, it's in French. 아, 5분만 쉬자. 5분만 쉬자. 앱으로 하고 싶죠. 그런데 우리가 이거 시청자들이 개발한 것이라서 저는 솔직히 말할게, 나 개발 못해요. 나 개발의 개자도 몰라고. 그래서 시청자들한테 부탁하는데 그게 생각보다 오래 걸려요. 왜냐면 꾸준히 오는 시청자가 유일하게 1명? 그래서 Yay! And it froze! No, it didn't freeze. Just kidding. That's okay. Make GitHub and you can make final build? What final build? 앱 환경으로 하면 이거 다 뜯어야 할 것 같다고? 앱 환경으로 그래야 되겠지. 뜯어 고치는 거 원래는 앱은 또 다르게 해야지. 근데 일단은 앱보다는 그걸로 하려고요. 핸드폰용으로. Oh yeah, server handle. We've tested so many times. 네, 앱은 아닌데 모바일 웹으로 따로 지금 하고 있어요. Better than Tinder? 100여 포켓몬들 이제 저 자리에는 여러분들이 원하는 시청 스트리머들 있으면 저 5불씩 매달 5불씩 내야 돼. 5불 주세요. 개발비, 용돈비. 네, 모바일이래. 모바일을 어느 정도 우리가 누가 그래도 열심히 해놨어. 근데 앱은 이거 하게 되면 따로 아예 바꾸려고. 시끄러. Let me go put something on thingy. Forget about mobile? 아니, someone wanted to do mobile. 진짜 너무 힘들어.
I really like your Twiri project. It's pretty impressive.
did you donate? Why? Thank you. 25불? Oh my god, thank you for $25 donation, TD. Thank you. Oh no, let me re-dono it. Oh crap, I don't know how to redo it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, 감사합니다. 감사해요. 개발자와 이 사진의 갈등이 뭐야? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Replay? Did you do Streamlab? Streamlab 했겠지? I can replay. 아 맞아 어제 맞다. You guys 쪼님도 도냈지 어제. Someone donated yesterday too. 잠깐만. I'll replay my donation. I'm cooking food. Oh, it's PayPal? 그러면은 it should be Streamlab. 기다려봐. Ah, sorry. I should replay my donation yesterday and today because I forgot to thank everyone. Where did you guys donate? 5만 원 냈다고 어제? 나 이거 이제 봤어. 감사합니다. 와, 마이 푸드비.
레스 스트레스.
대박. 어제 저는 스트레스 받지 않고 민님 쪽이 저쪽은 청자가 다르잖아. 그래서 아 오버 thanks for stopping, thanks for the raid, thank you so much. 그래서 나도 만약에 하여튼 우리 청자는 아니에요. 나 밥값 감사합니다. 어제 밥값 2배 내셨는데? 아! Thank you for $25!
I really like your Twiri project. It's pretty impressive.
후! 진짜 This is where my angel 진짜 내가 여러분 꿀꺽했습니다. 6 egg drops? Don't even talk about egg drops. Maxi! Thank you! Thank you, TD! 감사해요. Okay, I just need to refresh. So guys, go get something to eat. 여러분 뭐 먹고 오세요. Get some food. We'll be sitting like a programmer. 음식 프로그래머처럼 우리가 있을 거니까 먹고 오세요. So I made 호박죽. 뭐지? 호박. 나 주키니. 펌킨 숲. 아 진짜 오늘 술 한잔 할까? Guys, should we get beer? Oh, okay. I don't have beer. That's true. Liquor? 지금 미안님 없지? 아, 미안님 없어. 150 people watching the door? Oh, 씨. 아, 근데 잠깐만. 머리차라 하자. Guys, say it's tea. Guys, to alpha version Twiri! 짠! 위스키예요. Monetization strategy? 몰라, 나 지금 우리 프로그래밍 도와줘! Help me programming! Or refill my wine? Okay. 짠! Hard liquor? I don't know. Very hard? Very hard liquor? 정확히요? 아우. 힌트 줄게. I will give you hint. 자, 파란색이고 뭘 붙인다 생각하면 될 것 같아. 파란색 붙임. It's this, 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 this. 맞지? You guys understand? 여러분 다 이해했네. You guys understood it? How did you guys understand it? 안주. 나이씨, 안주. 그러니까, how did you guys understand what I meant? 안녕하세요. PC 샷. I have good mic. Corn chip. Guys, now can you shush? I don't want Mia to know. 잠깐만. 잠깐만. 호박죽. I cooked this. When did you first open what? 한국에 계셔요. It's blue. 아유, I made it. It's a pumpkin soup. 어우, 취한다. I got good sleep. 카보차 pumpkin 뭐야? 펌킨 맞지 않아? 이거 맛있다. 이거 맛있는데? What is this? 레하, can we get a shout out for 레코 집사님? 단호박. Ah, really? Oh, 단호박 is Japanese pumpkin? Oh, I didn't know. I burnt it. Anyways, guys, so I think we're going to try to have good time. Like, anyone join and help. Guys, if we can monetize this, add ads, and you know, if I make money, then I can start paying my dev. But if you want the payment, you gotta stay for the project. You can't just leave. Oh, no ads? Glossy's ads hard? You know, because I just realized. Oh, YSF, where are you going? Yeah, that's the point. But apparently we can't have ads because if we're going to scrape, like scrap data, then we can't use it as thing. 코딩 윰윰이라고? 저희 윰 좋아하는데. 그럼 뭐 프로그래밍 하세요? 데이터 수집도 따로 하고 있어요. Hi Ninedog! Ninedog, I was awful at translating your technology. Sorry. How are you gonna monetize? It's probably really hard to monetize though. 게임 쪽 공부하고 있구나. 게임 쪽 재밌지. 저도 게임 쪽 나중에 하고 싶은데. Yeah, subscription. Oh, subscribing. 데이터는 지금 다 뽑고 있어요. His take only Twitch emotes. He said he's going to work on BTTV. I need melted ice. Shush, PC. So, let's create a timeline for today. 원래 안주로 지포를 먹으려고 했거든요? 전자레인지 돌렸어. 근데 지금 다 태워 먹었다? 그래서 지금 방 안에 지포 냄새 오져요. So I wanted to eat some 지포, which is fish snack for drinks. And I burnt it. 지포, Really, PC? You think that was funny? How badly is so bad. It's black and black. So. Oh no, something popped. 일로 와. Yeah. It's not that bad. Oh, I should be eating lunch. I promise I'd be on a diet. Is this why programming makes you fat? Because you just sit and eat? 진짜 프로그래머들 살찔 수밖에 없을 것 같아. If you don't exercise, yeah. Do you think most programmers are fat? Oh shoot. Ah! You're not programming, so what's the excuse? Oh, I'm dealing with people like you. That's why I'm fat. Programming makes you thin and bald? Wow. You're 179, 72? Wow, that's thin. Ah, brain burns a lot of calories? Oh, that's just stereotype. Most programmers I've seen are not fat. Oh. Go see your thin and bald chick. Why are you thin and bald? But if you just Google, 아이, 설마, they probably have to think. 내가 칼로리 많이 써요? 근데 뱃살 칼로리는 안 쓰잖아. You're bald because you use too much brain power. 자, programmers follow after me. 5-minute break. 자, 손 뒤로 꺾고. 자, every programmers get off your computer. Push your chair back. Follow after me. 자, 손 뒤로. Guys, I'm wearing shorts by the way. This is not Oya stream, guys. 바지 입었어요, 여러분. 자, back. Follow after me. 자, lower. 자, 여러분 따라하세요. 프로그래머들 많으니까 따라하세요. And then the other hand. And then down. 자, 기지개 stretch up to your right. To your left. And then 뭐하지? 그 다음에 head. The other head. 끝. 아니 기지 배가 아니 기지 개. You're sorry. You're right. The other way. Okay, all good. Check your posture too. Oh, you're good. Okay, good for you, Bendamon. Hold up. Was that too fast? Okay, guys, let's go back. 다시 돌아갑시다. So where were we? Okay. 아, 일단 짠 한잔 합시다. 아, 여기에? Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh. Cheers. How do you say cheers in French? 나 이거 먹고 자겠다. Comment de cheers en français? Santé? Santé? Ooh. Santé? Prost? Santé? Prost? 짠. 야, 오비, I know bonjour is. I know what bonjour. Salut? I just light a cigar. 아, 친친도 돼? 진짜 나 친친 처음 들어보는데? 진짜 들어봤구나. 자, everyone, now let's focus. Vámonos, vámonos. In Quebec they say 친친. Okay, so let's reorganize. 자, please join Discord if you are willing to help. Come to Discord on Twiri terminal with a nerdy face. And you will have access to our Discord. Thank you, Wind. Oh, really? It looks too many people on each card. It looks like too many people on each card. No. 이거 그냥 I just divided up into like international department. 자, first off, layout for result page. Honestly, layout, 야, Captain Daisy 어디 갔냐, 씨. 야. Oh yeah, there was, see? Okay, if you guys see Captain Daisy, go tell him what happened to Twiri. Yeah, that's what you guys should do now. Is look for Captain Daisy. Or all the people who decided to help out, who didn't come. If you guys see them, then you're gonna be like, so I think this was done by Luki. Honestly, for the result page, I don't think we need to change. 엔딩은 우리 구닥 그닥 안 바꿔도 돼. Shaming her dev, yeah. I think they like the shape. I think honestly, did I take his job? No, he didn't even come, so totally fine. 이거 let's keep the average viewer 2,000 plus. Cause we are mostly 학고 방송. 아, 맞아요. 숫자 입력해도 괜찮다고. 1,000 plus? 오케이. 1,000 plus. Add. 잠깐만. 아까 이거 question 뭐지? Back. Average viewer count. 여기 다 써. Chat log. 이거 9dog did it. Oh, I wanted the bars to click, but still no bars to click. Is voice type hard? Yeah, it's okay. We can move on. Oh, you can change it right now. I will just individual. So let's do 50, less than 50? Oh, you want it like that? No, let's do average view, like maximum should be 1,000. 1,000. 이거 그냥 끝내자. 아, 그냥 끝내 이거. And then extended wrote the questions. 이거 한국어 번역. 자, 한국어 번역. Extended wrote question in English. Put that in code. just 팝하고 가. 무슨 팝하고 있습니까? 하이 케이시. 그 다음에 자, who wants to take this? Title, changing the title. Anyone? It takes 5 seconds. 자, 프로그래밍 해보고 싶은 사람. Who wants to try programming? Best thing to try to program. 몸이 뜨거워졌어. What's the docket? What's a docket? 아니요. 똑같은 프로젝트예요. 근데 이제 이번에 좀 역할을 나누려고 아예. 이거 하세요 이러고. 끝난 거 아니지. Agenda for today, programming. Programming. Not programming. I guess I'm not programming, so. Just kind of giving people things to do. 이거 그러면 how about, so last time we met Saturday night to do this. Would that be a good time so that I can start a, 그러면 let's do this for front end Glotzi. I will get on Saturday night on Discord and Monday, and for like the small fixes, bugs, like the titles and everything, I will do it. And if people want to join that, then they can also join to work on it on Saturday night. My time, Korea time. And then we can do the 뭐지 co-programming thing that we initially did, Glotzi. So let's do that. 그래야 될 것 같아. Or else this project front end, you doing front end and back end, too much. So I will do pair programming, and I'm sure if we do pair programming, then people are going to come and join and be like, oh my god, Jinri, that's not how you do it, and then they program for me. That's how it was when I first did my programming. So I will do that. Okay. Not this side. Surprise. And that's how we got YMF. Because he got tired of me getting lost. So much better. So much better. This is better. And then, can we add a way to type? Act a bit clueless. I don't know how to program. 뭐지 나? I don't know program. What is that 또? 이게 낫다. 그 다음에 we need to work on. Shut up, YSF. Usually 1K means with chat spam. What just happened? You don't need to know. 그다음에 so guys, so on Discord, Johnny did the start time, Glotzi. I don't know if you've seen, but we were going to use that for this last question. He actually got the start time of every streamer. On what time they started. So we gotta figure out a way to incorporate that. So he got the streamers that I listed. So there's and he actually, I think, got it through one of the websites. So there's me, they did 39 Dav, Uria, Saki, Awakai, Bansai, 뭐 Bedel, Dotor, Itzahafu, 뭐 등등등. So that's up there. So if you want to put that in the data, connect it through backend and see if we can incorporate that. That's great. Is the watch stream connected to backend along with the algorithm or no? So that backend you can do. Front end, just leave it to me. It is connected? Okay. I will try to do front end with the viewers. Literally, viewers. Okay? So I will be trying to do it. I think YSF. I think you should remove question 7 from alpha. What's question 7? 다 있네. battle. Oh, the time one? Should we take the time one off? Do you think it's not important? A lot of people did say, like, it's not necessary in an MVP? Yeah, I will do that. What do you mean? So in the final one, we should bring it out? 그러게, everyone is 55% though. Yeah, I like the ending. Ah, it's... Ah? Why isn't it necessary in MVP though? Oh no, I know MVP. I just don't see why it's not necessary. Why? Because people apparently be on Twitch all the time. Actually, good night, night night. Really? Cause actually, when we did a survey, if that's your personal like opinion, that I will not really consider. Because when we did a survey, a lot of people did find time of when the stream started important. That's why we added there. It was one of the top threes. Yeah. So. Oh, I never did a survey of who wanted to help. I just picked people who wanted to help. Yeah. Is he begging? Yeah, that's what we all came up to a conclusion that if you're a greatest streamer, you don't sleep when your streamer is online. 잠깐만. 쪼이야. Yeah, they get volunteered. Like, I know a lot of people who stopped watching. You think it's not that important? That's true. I do agree with Cassandra. I guess in terms of weekdays, I think time matters, but in terms of weekends, probably not. Like, a lot of Taiwanese people stopped watching me because I converted my time to, like, America time. You know? So that's kind of like I think time is probably big. And, like, we don't have a lot of EUs anymore, so. $11 a.m. in Taipei? Yeah. Yeah, EU went bye-bye. Oh, most of my EUs want to watch, so I have to... Giving 5, you should... If you're giving 5, you should just have a label for people who... To see who is live now. But if you get a recommended streamer that never matches your time, would people want to watch it? If it's just you're saying time is hard to implement on a programming thing, then I would say, okay, maybe we should take it off. But if you're just saying, oh, people don't care, they'll like stay late for everyone, I don't think that's a true statement, especially because only you're saying that. Yeah. But if we consider like the majority vote, then there's people who think there's mostly everyone thought that it was important. But if you want to do a survey and see if if you want to go out and check if there's people who don't care about the time, I would be very interested in your results. If you get enough people to say time isn't important on when a streamer starts, then I would be actually willing to look into that. Joey! So, providing a link to their schedule. The thing is, people never link to their schedule. Never link their schedule. Yeah, but PC, I'm curious what the percentage of people would actually amend their schedule just because they match well. Because I've had people who've been on my stream for a very long time and only sub but never watch me, and from my Taiwanese, because their time never matches with mine. So I would be curious. I'm not saying your idea is bad. I would be curious if you get enough people's like feedback. If you don't mind asking some people about that and then getting their feedback, because since we do it by majority, the majority of our viewers did end up saying that they did find this important as a factor to change your streamer. But if you find enough people like to say that it's actually not important, I would be curious, and I would really like it if you looked into it. Perfect. PC, you have your new job. Congratulations. Data analysis. Perfect. Now let's move on. I did like the ending page though. I like the ending. Looky, I don't think ending should change. Other than that, I would change the color though. Color kind of seems too dull. So I would change the color to grayish-y though. Okay? Can we do that? Yeah, PC, let's move on. So why don't you ask younger generation, like 10s, 20s-year-old people, and then get back to me with the results. Thanks. That'll be great. Because I can't try to, like, there's no way for us to keep talking about this. It's kind of pointless. If you want to keep continuing talking about which is the better, so. Yeah, I like the gray colors. So here's a factor with confettis. I heard if you add more confettis, it's going to lag the page. So if you want the page to lag, perfect! Hi, Idom. Nice to meet you. So... Glotzy check... Oh, look at this cat. Oh, did you guys know this cat type is ragdoll? Ragdoll. It's ragdoll because apparently he's supposed to be like a doll. Isn't that cute? ragdoll cat이래. ragdoll cat. ragdoll cat 종류. So he's supposed to be like calm and still. Except he bites. Except you bite like a... Okay. Get down. So, anyway, sorry. He looks like a claw cat. He's biting a lot for a doll. If you do CSS confetti, it'll lag. If you load it as an asset, it'll be fine. Oh! Luki, did you load it as an asset? But I think Luki said mobile version, if you do that, it'll lag. Can we have it not lag on mobile? Is that possible? Glotzy did it. No, they're all DIVs. Oh, is there a way to have it as an asset? Oh, example I found. Joya, you can't get up there. Oh, I don't know. I give up on you, man. Just overlay a GIF? Oh, what if it becomes 촌스러워? Millions DIV spawned? Oh, crap. At least on PC, it's not lagging that much though, right? So for me, I will work on color and then the text size. But other than that, overall, like design and everything looks fine. 그 다음에 뭐라 했지? What was I going to do? Color of 뭐냐? the How about this, guys? I was thinking, do you guys remember last time I mentioned this? Tell me if it's a good idea or bad idea. 자, What if we do this? 지금, you know, it's like this. 지금, oh shoot, I can't draw a square by the way. 내면 못 그려요. So we have this, and then we have like, you know, these. By the way, are the Pokemons gonna go away or are they still there? 지금 이렇게 있잖아. Okay. We can replace them? Okay. 지금, you know how the page looks like this and has the restart? If we click on this, can we do like a streamer profile? We need streamers to pay. Let's pay! Lesa! 어디 갔어? Lesa pay! You forgot your $5 donation! Lesa! Where's Lesa, that girl? Pay for your position! PC, what are you doing? Aren't you paying for Iris? Shake my head. Worst mod ever. Yeah, there was Lisa was on. Lisa visited the other day. Or a couple of hours ago. 자, what about this idea, guys? 이렇게 딱 you clicked like see more. Can we do like see more click and then down it does like battle. 뭐 intro. I am cute, 뭐 IRL streamer, and then word cloud. I think for mobile version, this whole layout has to be different. Are these expandable? Oh. Wait, Glossy, you're giving me a ... with... I think that's too much work. Accordion it? What if we clicked on mobile? What if it closed on the side? It can show on the side, no? 근데 this on mobile is so tight. So I was thinking, can we just show like... Yeah, you should try to design this for mobile. Vertical stack would be best. Luki, can you do mobile? Please! Help! Mobile! 진짜, I'ma slap everyone who were like, I'ma help! I'm so interested! And they never did it. Yay! Thank you, Luki! Can you work on the mobile one? Thanks. But I think we'll work on this later. Let's finish all the bugs that's going on right now. I just thought about that. Oops. Just don't be interested in anything? Oh. Yeah, I should just stop talking, you know? Like, I should stop giving ideas. Sorry. Yeah, I'm the PM. I asked her so much, but because we don't have enough helpers. But I don't know, Glotzy, if we have programming sessions like on Discord, and I will notify you guys on Twitch or on Discord. Maybe front end might be much easier, so you can maybe focus on back end. 그 다음에 what else do we need to do? 그 다음에 next we want to... Oh shoot, don't touch anything. Oh, you just need to stop drinking, man. It's afternoon for you. 그 다음에 I think that's the first debugging session we're gonna do. 그래서 in terms of schedule, now so in terms of schedule, guys, 내 생각에는 let's work on alpha version and more testers. If we have more testers, that'll be great. If we have more testers, anyone who wants to test, just come to Discord and 조용히 하세요. Don't say that. You're exposing me, 삼벌초님. Don't expose me. Just kidding. Actually, the programming doesn't have anything related to that. No, it does not. Don't make me into a weird person. It just happens to be that I'm a likable person. Anyways, let's think about in terms of milestone. Milestone. Where is Google Calendar? Oh, 있다. Let's just say I'm a lovable person. 나는 너무 사랑스러운 사람이에요. Where do I go? Oh, so in terminal, you can see in the pin there should be a section that says hello QA interns. Welcome to terminal. I blah blah test blah blah blah. 수랑스러워? 수란스럽다고? 뭔 소리야? So, okay, guys, let's. Oh my god, Joy, 너 이거 먹으면 안 돼. What? Extended? 아, 사랑스러워 하고 싶었던 거야? 아, 그래? 난 수란스럽다고. 자, add to your list, add analytics. Yeah, whispering, I just realized we gotta say that or else people don't think this is like, they might think that's legit. You know, you never know. They'd be like, oh, this thing is fake! Everything comes out to be Jinri TV! She made fake thing, blah blah blah. So we gotta be careful. Not saying you guys are doing it. I'm so like, now it became like a thing for me, but whenever I say it, try to like, say that it's the bad interns, all the nice interns go, is that me? I'm like, no! Why would you just... Not you guys! Don't make me mad! I worry too much? Yeah, but better to worry and be safe and like be all cautious than like go outgoing and then get like TOS and then I just get like, you know, reported and I go to jail. So, sorry, okay, I'll try to not to worry. Anyways, guys, here is my calendar. Guys, if I go to jail, do we have lawyer? Anyways, thanks. Good to know. Good to know. You can bust me up. Do we have business Tweety mail? Yeah, we had business Tweety mail. Oh yeah, secretary is legal. I forgot. Yeah. Everything goes through secretary. Yeah, we did have a business thing, but I forgot the password and ID. Shoot, what was Tweety ID and business? Oh god. Oh, I'll get business Tweety mail. I do have it though. I do have business Tweety mail, Gmail. Anyways, in terms of schedule, guys, today is 19th. I'm hoping we can do beta version on my birthday as a birthday gift. Or is that short time? I think that's short time. Let's do it on March 29th. Yeah, March 29th. Yeah, let's do it then. Korean time. Just kidding. So it's 30th. Korean time. So we can do more than enough time. That's great. So yeah. So March Tweety content. Tweety beta. So for our beta version, yeah, we're using JavaScript and React. For our beta version, I want it to be for, oh, not React, okay, just JavaScript and Node. I want it to be for streamers. So I don't know, I might bring some streamers on stream and ask to test it. Like, we can do Discord calling one by one. Like, we'll call like Julia or people we're used to, or like Lessa, Rococo, anyone, testing it out and then seeing their reaction of who they get and things that they liked or disliked for our beta version. So March 30th, we'll get it. And then, so on March, we're gonna do a whole month of promotion. Like GitHub, 먹고, Reddit, blah blah blah, didoba, didoba, gadido, didida, didoda. Okay, we're gonna do a whole promotion on all the most like programming website, you know, all the programmable, like related, all the where all the programmers meet. Like, we will even have it on short stack. So good. Okay. That's our plan. 그러면 yeah. Like GitHub. I will even ask 누구냐? Our programming girlfriends to come and see their reaction and or see how they think about the app. So that's the plan. And then I think we're done. I'm done for today. Yeah, we can do a code review. Cause most of the front end and everything, I will try to do it on Monday so we can have something to show on Tuesday. Cause everything we show, recently there hasn't been much to shown on Monday. So it's been kind of like a, like, I don't know what we should talk about. It's just, okay, I'll be honest. It's just been me complaining every Monday, being like, nothing's being done. So this time we're going to try to do a collab stream. We're going to code all together. I'm going to download everything. I'll prepare everything. Oh, is this PM's life? Oh. Damn. I'm ashamed of my code? Don't be ashamed. You're fine. So let's drink. This is why I didn't want to code on stream, but I think we have to code on stream now. So give me a Jinri sip. 짠. 여러분 한잔 합시다. Great work, guys. Great work. But thanks for the donation, though. You gotta be sub to my channel. I'm so sorry. It's $5 if you're in US, $6 if you're in Europe, and 6,000 won if you're in Korea. 6,000원이야 무슨 구독이. Glotzy, thank you for gift sub. Now Jinri sip. Yeah, EU is $6, right? Hi, Julia. Can we get a shout out? For Julia. Tweety seemed to be stuck on the matching you with streamer page 5 ever right now. Second test with same input. Oh, really? Is it stuck? I don't think so. Julia, are you free on 30th? March 30th. No, she doesn't have to say yes. What's page 5? Oh, Julia's interview is next week. You're not sure about March? Oh, damn. So busy. Oh, I'll take that as a yes. Page 5. 1, 2. Sometimes the loading streamer breaks. Why? Do you know why? This page breaks. Oh, damn! Oh, wait! We actually got all music streamer. Cause I clicked on music. 어, 이거 괜찮은데? Let's... Oh yeah, we need to handle errors better. Man, extended. Oh, we have to add an error page for okay. Can our 404 page be super cool? Let's find Julia. Julia dorky였니? What were you, troll? I think you were like silly. Oh shoot, Julia! Esther's on my list? Who added Esther? Damn. Oh shoot, Julia! Who's Eugene? 잠깐만. Oh, I think you might be just chatting. Oh 씨. Oh, Eugene 하트야? Oh, sorry. Guys, introduce me to Eugene if you guys know her. I think you're weird. Ah, we have to change order. 야, 잠깐만, 이거 왜 내가 나와? 야, guys, why is it me? 잠깐만. We have to change order. Ah, 맞다. Can we discuss one more thing, guys? Sorry, I told you guys I was done with it. But okay, so right now it goes first place, second, third, 4, 5, right? 4, 5. Should we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Or should we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? what way should we order this? Who's toast? How should we order the first, second, third, fourth, fifth plate? Because right now it kind of looks weird. Should we order with colors? Can we do like... Can we just do silver outline, bronze outline? Yeah, I don't know what this black bar is. Left to right definitely would be easiest, but I like the crown to be in the middle, you know? Middle means kind of like the best. Sorry, I have to take you, baby. Can you sleep there? So, I don't know. Because if I do left to right, then... Oh my god, I'm gonna slap you. Then it doesn't mean anything, you know? So guys, two options. Would you guys like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or center? I don't know what to do with second, third, fourth, fifth place though. Thanks, Luki. So kind of going opposite of each other. Yeah, let's try to do that then. Yeah. Okay. Yeah! Hajima imma! Hajima. Guys, by the way, our first YouTube video is going to be uploaded soon. Local finally finished our university one. But that is the first and last university of this year because Korea doesn't allow outdoor streaming, at least for this month. So yeah. Do it at the gate? Yeah, I know, but if the college are kind of like we don't allow anyone who's not a student there, then I'm not giving a. Left to right makes more sense, but if you want the middle to be like high, you know. What's that movie? Yeah, I mean left to right might look good, but ooh, that might be good. Can we try Bu Li's idea? Wait, let me try this. Okay, let's try. Yeah, I agree with MILF. Oh yeah, that's true. That's a bug you found too, right? 자, okay. Podium? Yeah, we gotta figure out something about that. 이렇게? 그 다음에 이렇게 조그맣게? 이게 제일 이쁘지 않아? Yeah, we gotta figure out a way, like, for the screen. It should just be... Oh, I should move this. Let's see how it shows. Oh! Hello! You can't even scroll down though. Hundred 80, 90, 190, 80. Oh, should we just use CSS then? Is it hard to use CSS? Yeah, let me try. Let us. Ah, really? 그러면 let's take out the bootstrap features. If we're not using it many, then let's try CSS. Yeah. The right side gets cut. The right side keeps cutting. It's like, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. Even the name is more beautiful. Ah. Yeah. So I will announce our programming. Also the order. Yeah. That's what we were talking about. So we will do first, well, second, third, fourth, fifth with different sizes. You guys want it left to right? Oh, so it's okay to cut? 아니야, we will... I don't know. I like this middle. I just like middle. Like, they're the reason why kings are not off to the side. And they're in the middle. So. Guys, look how cute Joey is. Joey 봐. Sorry, I just got distracted. Vertical? The stock queen. Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's so fluffy. What's a dating site example? Yeah, give me a dating site. What would be a vertical example? 울지 마. 울지 마. 하지 마. 울지 마. 아팠지? 울지 말라니까. Sorry, you can alter the cutting with Flexbox in VS. What's Flexbox in VS? Give me a dating site example. For vertical ones. If it's a vertical, can I give a vertical example? Luki, are you here? CSS? Yeah, we might have to just change. We might have to drop Bootstrap and stick with CSS. Ah. Ah. Okay. Okay. Doesn't pure C... Oh, really? Does it? Ah. Okay. So people who just came, please come to my Discord to test out the thing. And please give me a user feedback. There is a user feedback Google thing out there that you guys can test. So... Yes. 디스코드 팔로우 부탁드립니다. 여러분 이거 유저 피드백 테스트 하고 싶으면은 오셔서 하시면 돼요. 오케이. 오늘 여기까지 합시다. 아! 너, 와, 너무 온다. Why are you biting me so much? 왜? 왜? 눈곱 껴가지고. Why are you biting me? Say sorry. You are bothering me. You're not even making money, okay? Then don't bite me. 어? 네가 돈을 벌어야 그래야지. 어? 안 그래? 이놈 새끼야. 이놈 새끼야. 이놈 새끼. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins, huh? Okay, guys, we're done. 오늘 여기까지 할게. Okay, Cupid had a grid. Oh. Okay. 여기까지 합시다. I'm done for today. 아파. 아파. 하지마. 하지마. 내려가. Yeah, he does have sharper teeth. Dribble? I don't know what to do with. I should read the thing that. Yeah, I'll look into some. We'll discuss this. We will actually start programming on Tuesday, or I will figure out a time that works with everyone. So I'm done. Let's raid. 레이드하고 여러분 방송할게요. I will raid and end the stream. So. 누구한테 레이드하지? 오, I will raid to Jumpy Genie. Thanks, guys! I had fun. There will never be a time that works for everyone. That's true. 맞아. No, it will never work for everyone. Oh, Lessa started streaming. Oops. No, I will just send you to Jumpy Genie. Bye guys! Thanks for watching me. 여러분 봐주셔서 감사합니다. It was fun. That was a fun time. I don't know what she's playing. Check out. Some cleanup detail game. So have fun guys. Thanks for coming to my stream. 여러분 방송 보러 와주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you for coming. Is that a good game? Tomorrow we will do some analysis. 내일은 좀 분석 방송 많이 할게요. I will do a lot of analysis. And that's all. I don't have anything else. Yeah. So thanks for watching me today. See you guys tomorrow. 내일 봐요, 여러분. 안녕.